Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. I'm at the Bandra Linking Road today and I'm super duper excited to shop. So come on, let's get started, and if you like the video then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Come on, let's get started. So this shop has some amazing beautiful pastel dresses, and like I really found these ones very pretty. They're a nice full length and really beautiful pastel colors. Check out all these dresses here. 350, 400 से start है और going between 1000 to 1200 also.
There were some beautiful tops in the market, like off-shoulder, spaghettis, peasant tops, all priced between 250 to 400 rupees. There was a great variety in these tops, and there were also tops available with retro sleeves. There were these knotted tops and beautiful long and short tops as well. I saw some nice denim pants as well as denim jackets, and both the jackets and pants were for rupees 350 and all these tops were for rupees 150. There were some really beautiful dresses in the market, and they were available in nice patterns and colors. They were available in all lengths, like the short ones, the long ones, the mid lengths. And I really liked this one, and it was for rupees 700. There was a great variety of tops as well, and nice party wear options too. These tops were very pretty, and they were all priced between 250 to 350 rupees. Guys, right opposite the car telephone exchange are these amazing bag shops, and I'm just gonna show them around. They are just amazing and they have a great variety. You get everything from your sling bags to your tote bags to your duffel bags to your everyday carry bags. I love these bags, and they were just for rupees 1150. And this one was really cool too, and this was for 1350. These bags were of really good quality and they would last you really long. There were lots of tote bags, and all these bags were available between 700 to 1200 rupees. These big handbags were all priced between 850 to 1400 rupees, and they had inner wallet size bags as well.
I really liked this bag, and like you can see, it's quite cool and it's for 600 rupees.
These bags are just perfect for your day wear, for your evening wear, for your office wear. You actually have bags for all occasions here. They have a great variety of sling bags as well, and all these sling bags are priced between 400 to 800 rupees. I really like these big bags, and all of them were priced between 800 to 1400 rupees. If you're looking for summer tops, then you actually must visit this market, because they have a nice variety of spaghetti tops and off-shoulder tops, and also these peasant tops which look beautiful with your skirts and pants. There's a great variety of these dresses here too, and all of them are priced between 400 to 900 rupees.
So guys, this lane is right opposite Kodal Plus, and it has really amazing collection.
There are some very cool sports shoes available in the market in beautiful colors, like your whites, your light pinks, the fluorescent colors, the oranges, the neons, and all of them are priced between 400 to 900 rupees.
Ramzan is around the corner, and I saw some beautiful kurtis in the market and very affordable. So come on, I'm going to show them around.
These kurtis are really very pretty, and there is a great variety. You get nice casual kurtis as well as your nice party wear kurtis here. You can get only kurtis, or you can also get kurti palazzo sets and kurti skirt sets as well. The range of these kurtis start from 700 and also go till 3000 if you buy the heavier ones. These kurtis are available in beautiful designs and patterns, and they are available in good sizes too. Heavy kurtis are also available. These are sets like a kurti and palazzo set, kurti and garara set, and they are priced between 2500 to 3500 rupees. These kurtis were also very pretty, and they are just perfect for your day wear, for your office wear, or your casual wear too. I really like this kurta and sharara set, and it was priced at rupees 1100. There was a great variety of these sets. They were all priced between 1000 to 1200 rupees. There is a very beautiful collection of kurtis in the market. There were some really nice heels, and all of them were priced between 400 to 800 rupees. A very nice option of wedges were also there, and there were some party kind of chappals and slippers too, all priced between 500 to 900 rupees. These heels were available in nice colors, and I really like these beach chappals too. Again, a beautiful range of tops and dresses, and these dresses are just perfect for the summer wear. If you're looking for dresses, then you must visit this market, because actually the dresses are quite reasonable and there is a vast variety of these dresses. All of them are priced between 400 to 900 rupees. The best thing about this market is that there is something for everyone here. There are tops of all kinds, like there are regular t-shirts, there are peasant tops, there are off-shoulder tops, there are spaghettis. So you name it and you get it here. All these tops are quite reasonably priced between 250 to 350 rupees. There are nice denim pants available here too. I really like these floral print dresses, and they're really in fashion nowadays. Again, a great variety of tops and dresses. You get your innerwear here too. And there are a lot of bags available here. Lot of sling bags and handbags and duffel bags. All of them priced between 400 to 1400 rupees. There were some backpacks available too. Guys, actually there was such a good collection at the Bandra Linking Road that I couldn't fit in everything in one video. So yes, I'm also going to be posting another video on Bandra Linking Road very soon, so do check it out. These kurti palazzo sets were just gorgeous. So if you are somebody who wears kurtis every day, then this space is just perfect for you, because you actually have the whole set priced only between 800 to 1200 rupees. A lovely variety of these dresses in nice prints. These dresses are just perfect for your day wear. You can wear it for your brunches, for your lunches, and you're sorted. And these kurtis are just amazing. If you're looking at something for your festive wear, then you'll actually get it at a very reasonable price here, because if you actually go and get something stitched, you end up spending 5,000 rupees and you get something really nice here, like say a full set of a kurta palazzo or kurta garara with a dupatta between 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. This market is very good for bargaining, so if you're a good bargainer, then you can actually get very good deals here. There was a lovely footwear collection, everything priced between 300 to 900 rupees. You get really nice heels here, from your short kitten heels to your wedges to your high heels as well. There are very nice nude colors available in these heels too, and they're just perfect for the summertime. So guys, with this I come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then do press the like button and do share it with your friends. See you guys very soon with something very exciting. Lots and lots of love to all.